Are you one of the millions who trade cryptocurrency in Ghana, but worried about unclear rules and sudden shutdowns? Big changes are coming. Ghana's central bank is rolling out a strict new regulation for all exchanges and wallet providers by December 2025. In this video, find out exactly how these rules will impact your favorite platforms and what you need to do as a user or business to stay compliant, and why some experts think Ghana could become Africa's next digital finance leader. Don't miss the latest actionable update. Your investment could be impacted on this. Hello everyone, welcome to Gossip Shade TV. If you are new, like, subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Hello everybody, here's a quick update on Ghana's new cryptocurrency regulation as head towards December 2025. Ghana's central bank has officially confirmed that comprehensive crypto rules are on track for rollout by the end of the year. The Virtual Asset Providers Bill is finalized and now awaiting for Parliament's approval, a key step that is expected to bring legal clarity to millions of users and businesses here. The move comes as crypto adoption continues to surge. Over 3 million Ghanaians have traded digital assets worth more than $3 billion in just the past year alone. What does this mean once it is being passed? Only registered and licensed exchanges and wallet providers will be allowed to operate. All platforms must meet strict requirements like anti-money laundering checks, robust security audit, and transparent reporting. That's a big change for both large companies and small setup in the space. Industry experts believe the new rules will help legitimize Ghana's crypto market, attract foreign investment, and increase trust. Though some warn it could make things tougher for smaller players, meanwhile, the Bank of Ghana is launching public awareness campaign and building a new enforcement department to oversee the sector. Long story short, Ghana is joining other African countries in taking strong actions to regulate cryptocurrency. Expect tighter rules, better oversight, and hopefully a safer environment for everyone using digital assets in the country. Let's dive into what is actually in the bill. Licensing regime. Only registered and licensed exchanges, custodian wallet providers, and other virtual asset providers will be legally allowed to actually operate in Ghana. Registration and oversight. Virtual asset providers must register with the Bank of Ghana, comply with anti-money laundering, know your customer rules, and be subject to ongoing supervision and periodic cyber security audits. Capital and compliance. Minimum capital threshold are specified roughly 5 million Ghana cedi, with mandatory cybersecurity controls and regular reporting of suspicious activity. Consumer protection. The framework prioritizes user protection, transparent disclosure, and robust risk management standards. Enforcement. Unregistered and uncompliant firms face bans, fines, or exclusion from licensing rounds. Let's look at the timeline and then the status of the bill. The bill has been drafted and has actually been advanced to Parliament with a year-end enactment target. Bank of Ghana has completed mandatory registration of all virtual asset providers and is launching a compliance portal plus public awareness campaign ahead of rollout. Regulatory alignment with Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa aims to harmonize standards and facilitate cross-border cooperation. Let's look at what this bill means for traders and firms. For traders, only compliant platform will operate. Expect enhanced security, clearer dispute processes, and safety trading environments. For firms, licensing costs, capital requirements, and anti-money laundering and know your customer obligations will shape onboarding and ongoing transactions. or operations. Let's look at the setup. Higher entry barriers may challenge some players, while larger entity may benefit from clearer, investable rules. I do have some basic questions that I may need to ask, and let's see the outcome. What if Parliament delays? How will the Bank of Ghana handle pushbacks from setup and investors? Will Ghana become Africa's digital finance hub or face slow onboarding? First of all, let's watch Parliament's progress and sector reaction in the coming weeks. If Parliament delays the crypto bill, the Bank of Ghana will be forced to extend the status quo. Crypto trading will remain in regulatory limbo, with platform operating under provisional registration but lacking full licensing or enforcement. Bank of Ghana has indicated it will continue recruitment, training, and monitoring using its digital sandbox. And interim oversight will focus on strengthening anti-money laundering and reporting controls while final rules are pending. If you are operating in Ghana's crypto space, subscribe for ongoing updates and share in the comment section what you would want to include in the final virtual access providers law. I'll keep an eye on this virtual access providers bill as it moves through Parliament and break down new rules as they are being announced. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that when I drop updates on these cryptocurrency bills, you will get to see this video. Thank you guys for watching.